8 foods you should eat for a healthy immune system. Do you have a low level of immunity? Your immunity is definitely poor if you are always sick with the flu or tired. That means your defense system is compromised, and viruses and bacteria can cause harm to your immune system as a result. If that's the case, this video was especially for you. You need to eat meals high in vitamins and minerals to boost your immune system, prevent illnesses, and help your body's recovery. Another important step is to cut down on fatty, sugary, and processed meals that are high in preservatives and colorings. Omega-3 fatty acids, selenium, zinc, probiotics, and vitamins A, C, and E should all be consumed. They all aid in the production of defense cells, which strengthen the immune system. Foods to improve your immune system. 1. Spirulina. It is a type of algae that is used as a nutritional supplement because of the many compounds in it that have immunostimulant and antioxidant properties, such as inulin, chlorophyll, and phycocyanin, which help improve the immune system by stimulating the production of defense cells and also have anti-inflammatory properties. This supplement is available in capsules or as a powder that can be used in juices and smoothies. 2. Strawberry. It's high in vitamin C, which helps to boost the body's natural defenses. The vitamin boosts the immune system's cell production as well as resistance to infections. Vitamin C appears to be a key component for preventing respiratory and systemic infections, according to several research. To prevent illnesses, it is recommended that you take 100 to 200 milligrams of vitamin C each day. Broccoli, acerola, oranges, and kiwis are also high in vitamin C. 3. Flaxseed. Flaxseed, as cedar oil, enhances the body's defense since it's high in omega-3, lignans, and fibers, which activate and stimulate immune system cells while also acting as an anti-inflammatory. Flaxseed may be used in smoothies, juices, salads, and yogurts to make cakes and bread. 4. Sunflower seeds. It's high in vitamin E, a strong antioxidant that helps protect cells from toxins, radiation, and free radicals. These seeds are high in zinc, a mineral that is necessary for the immune system to operate properly. 5. Turmeric. Curcumin is a chemical found in this root that functions as an antioxidant and protects cells from free radical damage. 6. Ginger. Ginger, which is related to turmeric, has antibacterial, antioxidant, and anti-inflammatory qualities that help to prevent bacterial, fungal, and viral infections. It also slows the progression of chronic illnesses such as diabetes, obesity, and heart disease. 7. Dried fruits. Zinc is abundant in almonds, peanuts, Brazil nuts, and cashew nuts, and it aids in tissue regeneration and wound healing. Zinc is important for the immune system's growth and activation of T lymphocytes. 8. Sweet potato. Vitamins A and C, as well as other antioxidant substances, help in the development and strengthening of the immune system. Vitamin A has been shown in several studies to have a therapeutic impact in the treatment of a variety of infectious illnesses. Therefore, it is critical to include vitamin A-rich foods in your diet.